See that? How beautiful. Nice. Look at that. See? Soft. So put it on it. See? Alright. Yeah, put it in the microwave. You put it in, we toast it, cook it a little bit, and you put it in the microwave. The microwave make it swell. Let's show you guys how to do it earlier. Alright. Wait a few minutes on both sides and then you flip it, okay? We make the dal like this. When I finish, I'm gonna eat some and show you guys. And dal and roti, 20 minutes. I'm hungry. So go home, busy cooking. I'm a man, I love to cook. That's one thing with me. Cook at work, come home, cook. You know. It's just I don't have the time to. Summer coming, I'll show you guys a lot of stuff. I like to use the grill a lot outside. You guys subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can get see a lot of stuff I'm gonna make, especially at workplace too. You know, we do a lot of stuff. You give it like about a couple of minutes on each side until you see like, you know, when it's ready to go into the microwave. But you don't see no rawness. Yeah. See how it's on as well? Up? Yeah. You get another 2 minutes on the one side and then you can put it in the microwave. And some people like get a mesh and they put it on and then they swell, but I don't have. I want to get a little color on the other side, that's why I flip it back. See? I want to get a little color on this side. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys the roti now, okay? This is the roti, what we just make with the dal. See? Delicious. I see, soft. Anybody can do it.